let's go ahead and lay this Nars foundation all over our skin. I really wanted to do this makeup look today because I love this whole broken, creepy doll look, but I really don't see it on a whole lot of dark skin. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do it. Up next, I'm going to take my concealer and lay it down. Then using my beauty blender, I'm going to make sure to really press it into the skin. I really want to make sure that I set everything really well because I'm going to go in with a ton of color and I want to make sure that it blends nicely. So don't skip this step. Up next, we have a killer eyeliner from Too Faced in color light blue. And I'm going to use this as kind of a primer. And then I'm going to lay some shadow on top of this. The eyeliner is really perfect because it's actually kind of tacky, so anything you put on top of it, it will stick. So today I'm going to use a navy blue eyeshadow to give myself some blue brows. Then taking my concealer, I'm going to clean up around the edges and make sure these eyebrows are sculpted. Don't forget to go in with your blender brush and smooth out the edges so that you don't see any harsh lines between your foundation and your concealer. I'm using some pretty dark colors today, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down this translucent powder before going in with the shadow so that if I make any mistakes, it's easy for me to clean up. Since dolls are pretty sculpted, I'm going to go in and contour my nose a little bit. Feel free to contour anywhere you want to on the face, but I'm just going to stick with the nose. Then I'm taking this dark navy blue eyeshadow and I'm going to lay that in my crease and really drive it up towards my brow bone. I just love Halloween. It gives me an excuse to get all dressed up for no reason. If you're into Halloween too, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? I decided that I wanted to deepen the crease even more, so I actually went in with a black eyeshadow and went around the top portion of my lid just to deepen that area. Using a white primer, I'm going to go ahead and lay down a pretty dramatic cut crease. When I'm doing this, I really like to just kind of stamp out where I want that line to be and then smooth it out later. This makes it easier than just trying to draw a straight or curved line. Once I have that cut crease laid down, I'm going to take my concealer and clean up any little bits that I've missed and make everything nice and smooth. I'm going to take that same black eyeshadow and go back over the top of the cut crease and that deeper line so that it's a nice and smooth transition. Then I'm going to take this beautiful icy blue and lay it down where I've created the cut crease. I decided to go in with my ABH brow pen and darken up my brows a little bit because I felt like it was getting lost in the blue. Taking this nude shimmery color, I'm going to lay that right on the inner corner to create a little bit of a pop. Then I'm going to draw a very long and dramatic wing. Using a nude eyeliner, not white, I'm going to draw right on the inner waterline and make my eyes look a little bit bigger. The reason I use a nude liner and not white is because the contrast between my skin and white just does not fit. So I would recommend, if you have a deeper skin tone, to use a nude pencil as well. I love any excuse to draw on some lower lashes, so with this look it is absolutely perfect. I'm going to draw on a couple of those lower lashes. I'm going to layer on a couple of colors for the cheeks. I'm going to start with this purple, and then I'm going to move into a more fuchsia pink color. And now the fun begins. This is where you get to really be creative and draw in those cracks. I am starting by shaping the largest part of the crack and then branching out. And you can be as creative with this part as you want. You can have as many lines, as many cracks, any size as you want. So really have fun with it. I'm using the Danessa Myricks 24-hour paint for your lids. This works really well because it's thin enough to slide on, but it stays in place once it sets. Once you have all of your lines mapped out, it's time to go in with your highlight and take a little bit of white liner and outline only one part of those lines. Be careful not to put those highlights on both sides of the lines. This will make it look very unrealistic. Of course, you have to have the dramatic lashes. This is a doll. Next up, I went ahead and put on a red liquid matte lipstick, and then I went around it with a dark purple liquid matte. I decided I actually liked the dark purple more, so I covered over the whole thing, and the two colors blended really nicely. There you go, guys. This is my creepy doll look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? And if you're into this kind of content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, until next time, see you guys. Bye.